This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Triceratops belly box. So these are my pieces. I'm going to start by gluing the backing to the head. Okay. Then the mouthpiece gets glued on. And I think that I want to pop the head with so that's how those pieces will go on. I want to pop the head up with some foam tape. The belly part is going to go here, but I'm going to pop this head with a little bit of foam tape. And you can see where it goes by these two curves on the side. And you line those up with the curves here on the face, this curve here and this curve of the mouth, okay? That's how you know where that goes. I'm going to go ahead and put his belly on. Her, him, doesn't matter. Okay, and I'm going to fold this now on the score lines. Oh, where are my feet? What happened to my feet? Give me just a second to locate where I put those pieces. Here we go. Okay. And then, of course, she has a horn on her nose. And then two horns here on the side. I'm not sure where these go. Those might be wrong. Okay, so you're going to put glue on this tab. I'm going to glue these tabs, these back two tabs, to the outside of my box. One there, one here. And they're going to be covered up by the tail piece. These two pieces that you won't really see on the front side of the box, I'm going to glue to the inside. But I did not want to see the tabs there, you know, when you're looking at the box from the front. I did not want to see my tabs right here. And then this piece, It's going to square up right here, and then that will hide your tabs. Okay. So I'm going to put the glue here, just draw a straight line. And glue this onto the back. Turn it over so I can apply some pressure. Okay. Then my feet, I'm going to glue together. I'm going to pop these with some foam tape. Almost out. And then apply the, there we go. I think these just go right in the center here. And there is the Triceratops belly box. Thank you for joining me.